Housing costs and related utilities are among the largest monthly expenses for most people. In emerging and developing countries, an average of 4 to 6 people share a single household, while in the US, Europe, Japan or China, the average household size is closer to 2. In this episode, we focus on such a two-person household. However, the amount of available living space also varies greatly by region. In Europe, the average apartment size for 2 people ranges between 60 and 90 square meters, with more space typically available in rural areas compared to urban centers. In North America, 2 people live on average within 70 to 100 square meters, while in Asia, space is far more limited, around 40 to 70 square meters for 2. The smaller the available area, the more important thoughtful planning becomes, to achieve the highest possible quality of life in the smallest possible footprint. Today we are working with around 60 square meters of usable floor area, a space that needs to be optimized, but will also be further subdivided by interior walls. And certain constraints come with the layout itself. The main area of about 55 square meters is extended by a converted balcony, now functioning as a sunroom, adding another 5 square meters. The apartment faces southwest and receives daylight from that side only. An existing service shaft further limits how freely the space can be used. The layout is essentially square with dimensions of 7.9 by 7.5 meters. Naturally, the full 60 square meters should be used as efficiently as possible. On top of that, the owners have specific requirements. Despite the compact size, they want a fully equipped apartment that still allows them to host and spend quality time with guests. A welcoming entrance area with a coat closet is just as essential as a living room with a relaxed lounge-like atmosphere. Of course, they also want a bedroom with a king-sized bed. She furthermore needs a wardrobe or dressing area offering at least 4 linear meters of closet space. He requires a home office desk where he can work undisturbed, even if she is active elsewhere in the apartment. And naturally, the main living area should receive daylight. Are such ambitions realistic on only 60 square meters? Let's take a closer look. The sunroom is separated from the main space by a glass wall, a detail we can use to our advantage. It also helps that apart from the shaft, the apartment is largely free to plan. Since all service lines run through the shaft, there are practically only 2 suitable zones for kitchen and bathroom. The kitchen could be placed between the shaft and the sunroom, while the bathroom could sit between the shaft and the entrance. However, single-sided daylight presents certain challenges. Let's begin with the bathroom, which doesn't necessarily need natural light. We first built a partition wall between entrance and shaft. Toilet, wash basin and shower easily fits into this 4 square meter room. Even a washing machine and a bathroom cabinet can be integrated. As planned, we place the kitchen on the opposite side of the shaft. A new wall extends 60 centimeters beyond the shaft, concealing the fridge. Let's add another tall storage. An L-shaped counter holds the sink and worktop. Turning this into a U-shape, the stove is placed at a 90-degree angle to the sink. A larger kitchen island creates additional workspace and can double as a dining table for 3 to 4 people. When not in use, chairs can be stored in a dedicated niche to maintain circulation space. The small sunroom is ideal for a home office. Thanks to the glass wall, it's visually separated, yet bright and quiet. Perfect for concentrated work. Kitchen and dining also receive direct daylight. Moving on to the rest of the apartment, we begin with the storage areas, which require the least amount of natural light. A few new walls define these zones. The entrance area is slightly widened, creating space for a large wardrobe with an integrated seat. The adjoining room behind it serves as her wardrobe or dressing area. Fitting 4 linear meters of closet frontage into such a small space is a challenge, but the resulting 7 square meter room could even hold up to 6 meters of cabinets. Since she prefers not to share her wardrobe, and while we're at it, we extend the closet wall to create another 2 meters of storage for him. Within this compact U-shape 8 square meter bedroom, the king-size bed fits neatly. A wide opening toward the window brings in daylight, so access to the bed from only 2 sides will require some agility from the residents. A sliding door separates the bedroom from the living area, allowing them to decide how open or intimate the space should feel, and even watch TV from bed if desired. Opposite, along the exterior wall, we position a 3 by 1.5 meter lounge sofa, meeting the couple's wish for a cozy lounge atmosphere. A coffee table, armchair, and media console complete this setup. Optionally, the entire space could be used with a projector, visible from the living, dining, and, with the door open, sleeping zones. So far, so good. But new ideas arise. They wonder if it is possible to bring more light into the depths of the space. He would also like a larger workspace and a place to enjoy action movies, while she prefers a bathtub instead of a shower. Alright, we start again, this time with angled walls. We will generally work with more geometry to channel light deeper inside. In the bathroom, we add a 45-degree wall to reposition the toilet, with the wash basin beside it aligned with the shaft. The washing machine and shower make way for a large corner bathtub, as she wished. A bathroom cabinet for towels and accessories remain a must. In the kitchen, we once again begin with the fridge, hidden behind a wall, followed by a worktop, sink, and stove in L-shape. The washing machine is now integrated into the kitchen base units. Since he needs a larger desk, we remove the glass wall and integrate the sunroom in full. This area now accommodates a dining table for 4. We apply the 45-degree concept throughout the rest of the apartment, building a zigzag partition wall. More daylight reaches the interior. The entrance feels brighter and more spacious, and the wardrobe hides behind another angled sliding panel. The 3 by 1.5 meter lounge sofa fits into one of the created angles, forming an open kitchen dining living area. The TV is mounted opposite. She can now enjoy evenings with friends in one part of the apartment, while he can work or watch movies undisturbed in the other. The bed is again positioned in a 45-degree angle. The sleeping area becomes more generous, with room for an extra armchair, and remains well lit. At the back, she still has sufficient wardrobe space, Not a separate dressing room anymore, but a large wardrobe zone behind sliding panels. His wardrobe stands near the bed, with enough room on the right for a larger desk. And on the left, a small sofa, creating a flexible dressing and private TV corner. However, when reviewing this plan, the couple realizes that she misses her dedicated dressing room, and he would prefer not to give up his shower. They also want a larger living area, since they often host standing parties with 10 to 15 guests. So let's start over once again. The zigzag wall goes, and so goes the bathroom wall. This time we will build a curved bathroom wall. The concept shifts towards a social gathering point, an event space. Let's focus again on the bathroom. The toilet, the wash basin stay, the bathtub makes way for a shower, and the cabinet remains. In the kitchen, the fridge moves to the left, followed by the washing machine, stove, worktop and sink to the right. Along the curved wall we add a rounded corner with bar stools, serving as both dining space and standing bar during parties. His workstation moves back into the enclosed sunroom. We keep the 45-degree solution for deeper light penetration, but now expand the living area substantially, ending once more in a curved form. The entrance feels open, even when several guests arrive simultaneously. A large coat wardrobe with bench accommodates jackets and shoes. The bar counter continues along the curve into the entry, providing extra surface area for drinks and decor while subtly zoning the space without blocking light. The sofa and armchairs follow the angled wall, creating a cozy conversation corner sheltered by the curved form. The TV unit sits opposite. Alternatively, additional semi-circular seating could complete the lounge. In the bedroom, the bed again stands free in the room. A small corner by the window serves as a makeup station or second workspace. A walk-in wardrobe sits behind sliding panels, and on the opposite wall there's space for a TV. Now the couple must decide who uses the main wardrobe and who claims the separate 5 square meter dressing area. 3 versions, 3 atmospheres. Which one feels most like home to you? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.